Welcome to this week's video. We are currently in Indiana, and this episode we're going to be fixing up the camper. Jen finds out what kefir is, and we start making some kefir smoothies, and then we take the kids to Indiana Dunes National Park and Lake Michigan. So check it out. All right, guys, we got a project on the camper. So the wire that connects to the camper to the truck while we're driving has been mysteriously chewed through. The wire in question here is the wiring harness that connects your truck to your camper. And right here, this is the new one I've already replaced. I forgot to record. But right here, it was really cut through like someone had taken a knife to it. And I think what happened was the cord hit about right in this area, maybe somewhere like here, and it was rubbing when we turn and just, you know, kind of got bit through or something. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this guy with a whole new one. Again, this is the replaced one already. That's why it looks good. Let's get to swapping it out. All right, we're disconnected. One thing I will note is I did verify that the electricity is all turned off and the battery is disconnected with my multimeter to make sure we're not going to get shocked. All right, the next thing we're doing is taking this box off. This is where that wire connects into the camper. So once you remove the screws, you can see what we're working with here. It's just a big jumper box. So we're gonna undo all that and then wire in the new one once we pull the old one out. All right, I got the wire off, but you can see the old one has the lines longer than this new one. So we're just gonna use the old one as a template and cut back our wiring so it matches this, so it'll fit on there nicely. So, nope. One thing you should always do before you start a project, make sure you got all the pieces you need. Now I gotta run to the store for this little guy. I don't have any of these. I thought I did. I have a different kind of connector, but we're not gonna use those. So now I gotta go to the store. All right, mission accomplished. But if you know anything about Menards, you know I spent too much money and got a bunch of crap I didn't need. All right, we got the wires cut to size. Now we got to put the ring ends on. All right, got them all crimped on. Now we just need to string it through and reattach. One thing I will tell you is always take pictures of the wires before you disconnect anything. So luckily I shot video of this so I could go back and refer to that when I was wiring everything back up. So that's true on anything when you're messing with wires. Same thing I did with the hot water heater. Or the air conditioner. Just make sure you take a picture of everything before you take it apart, and even take it's a phone, take as many pictures as you want during disassembly so you know how to put the thing back together. So that's always important. All right, so that wasn't hard, but it was definitely necessary. I definitely want to feel safe on the road, so it's just one of those things in RV life you got to take care of. Got to jump on top of that stuff quick, because that cord was only going to get worse, and we'd already lost our turn signals. So yeah, that is fixing up that cord.
We're at this campground in Illinois, Chesterton,
Indiana.
Did I say Illinois?
You did?
I haven't eaten yet. Anyway, and I saw that when we checked in that they had homemade kefir. Mm-hmm. And I thought that was really interesting, so I asked about it, and I thought I would buy some so that we can have smoothies. So they were busy yesterday, and so I just went to the main house to go ask, and she gave me a demonstration on how to make it, and she sent me home with this giant container of it, and she was telling me all the different ways they use it, how to make it, what to look for, that the grains they reproduce, so you can keep using it. So Kennedy was bugging me at like 7 something this morning to be like, go get us stuff so we can make smoothies.
They said they would be up by 7.
I wasn't up at 7. Anyway, so we're gonna make it, and then I'll take this back to her, and she's gonna give me some greens to start it. And I'll probably do a little bit more research. She told me a bunch, but I, she told me so much that I'm not really sure. So we're gonna make smoothies this morning.
I like kefir.
How's it taste?
Edible.
Edible. Alright,
Are you passing?
a little. I don't want a bunch. After doing it 3 times, it came out good.
There's a little bit left in there.
As it. With the chocolate stuff?
I think it's really good. It's full of all kinds of like vitamins and good stuff for your gut, so I'm all for it.
Yep.
Yep. So Kennedy just took back the jar that the owners here had lent us, and she gave me a starter jar. So basically this contains the grain in it, and she put some milk over it. And you just let it sit out for 24 hours. Doesn't matter if it's like hot or cold, it just will speed the process up depending on. And so you just put this on and keep stuff from getting out and let it sit, and then tomorrow it should be somewhat thicker. And she says like sometimes it even gets to like you can almost slice it, so like a yogurt almost. But it should be thicker for you. Then you strain out the grains, put it in a new jar, and start the process over again. So super excited.
Coop, you ready for the beach?
Literally looks like an ocean.
It does look like an ocean.
I mean, you can't really see the other side. It's so shallow. And they
Is it
hurt
cold?
really badly.
So, but is it cold? Good. Me neither. No way. So if you can see over in the foggy, hazy distance, I can't even like, let's see. Very hazy distance. There's Chicago.
One sec, I'm gonna try and make it get back.
All right, guys, this portion was recorded in real time. Check out my beard. It's definitely growing in. We ran out of time video editing this week, so this video is a little shorter. We're cutting it off here, but we'll have a midweek video where we go into Chicago on the train, check out all the sights in the city, and enjoy some deep dish. So be sure to check that out. Thanks as always to our Patreon members, and we'll see you next time. Bye.